Hello friends, today you will learn how to create your first Java project. So to run Java project, you need some configurations. There are 4 steps. Step 1, download JDK. JDK is the Java toolkit which is required to run Java program. So you can download any version which is from Java 8 to Java 20. Next step, set up environment variables. Next, you will download IntelliJ. IntelliJ is a software on which you will write Java program and you will run Java program. There are many softwares available to run Java program. For example, we have IntelliJ, we have Eclipse, we have BlueJ, but IntelliJ is prominently used. Next, you will create a first Java project. Guys, you don't need to write the steps. I will write the complete steps in the description of this video. So step 1, download JDK. As I have mentioned, JDK is a Java development toolkit. It is a runtime environment on which Java program runs. So you can download JDK by opening the browser and just type download JDK 17 for Windows 10 or JDK 18, 19, 20. It is up to you. You will open the browser. Here, go to this link, Oracle. You will go here. Even I have given this link in description as well. Now you will download this one, Windows 64 installer. Click here and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it, this one, just to save time. I will double click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Again next. Click on close. Now you have downloaded JDK. Now you will check whether your JDK is installed properly. For that you will check the Java version. You will go to command prompt and you will check Java version. You will type Java space hyphen hyphen version. In my case it is showing Java 11. The reason being, although I have installed Java 17 but I have not configured it right now. So the next step is configuration. For that you will go to my computer, right click, properties, advanced system setting. You will go to advanced environment variables. Now you will see path variable, PATH. If it is not there, then you will click on new, then you will write here path and then the path value you will set. If it is there with the previous JDK, then you will only update it. I will go to edit. I want to update it with JDK 17. I will go to edit, browse where it is installed. It is installed in my computer, program files, Java, JDK 11, bin. That's it. Okay. Now here in the system variable, you will again set the path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Browse. Again Java, JDK 17, bin. Click on OK. OK. Now one more variable that you need to set, which is Java underscore home. In my case it is already set. In your case you will click on new, then you will give Java underscore home like this, and then the path where the value that you will set is up to JDK. In this case, you will not go to bin like in path, but here up to JDK. Let me show you here. You will go to browse directory. In Java, you will go up to here, up to JDK, not bin. You will click on OK. Now you will open the command prompt again. Now you will check the Java version. It is Java 17. It means my Java 17 configuration is installed successfully. Now next step is I want to create Java program, but for that I need to download a software on which I will run Java program. So I will download IntelliJ. In the browser you can type IntelliJ free download Windows 10, or I have given the link as well. You will go to link. This is ultimate version. You do not need to click on this. Instead, scroll down. There is a community version and almost every feature is available here. So you will download community version. I have already downloaded it. This one. I will install it. Yes. Click on next. Click on next. No, I don't need any shortcut. Yes, I want to update the path variable. So it will make an entry of the IntelliJ in your system variable that I have already shown you for the JDK, but it will update for the IntelliJ as well. Click on next. Next. Guys, once it is downloaded, you can reboot later and you click on finish. Now go to your search and type IntelliJ. Open it. Click on OK. Now this is your first project. Now click on new project. Give name my first project. Click on create. Now you need to check whether your first project is working. Now remove from line number 9 to line number 15. Now change the message. My first project. Now go to run. Click on run. You can see the message, my first project. So everything is working fine. This is all for the first session. I will continue making the further sessions. But if you want session on particular topic, then do let me know. Thank you everyone, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.